started today with some flaky layer biscuits. That way we can separate each biscuit just like so. Once you have that, you're gonna bring in some honey pecan cream cheese. Oh yeah, baby. And I'm just gonna go ahead, take my little melon ball scooper here and just kind of scoop just a little bit of this cream cheese right in the center of our biscuits, you guys. Easy peasy, few ingredients, perfect for summertime, loving individual desserts. That way everybody can just have their own and it's such a glorious thing. All right, so we got all of that cream cheese in. Then we're grabbing ourselves some peach pie filling because what wouldn't go better with a honey walnut cream cheese other than peach pie filling. So check this out. I'm just using the same scooper. I'm almost just like kind of sandwiching it right on top of that cream cheese. I might get a little bit less syrup and more peaches, but I don't know, you guys. This is such a versatile step. And yes, any pie filling could do. I mean, honestly, you could even switch up the cream cheese. I am just sharing with you today on one of my favorites. So I really love the peach. It goes so well with this honey walnut. So we're just marrying these two together right here in this biscuit that is just going to be absolutely fabulous. Carefully, you'll just start to pull over the tops of those biscuits right on top of all of the cream cheese and that pie filling. Now, it's okay if you need to separate it a little bit more to just fully have it go over those edges, just like so. In fact, this dough is pretty pliable and you should be able to kind of manipulate it to the size that you want. So go ahead, stretch that over and just start to tuck in all of that delicious good stuff right there inside. Then you'll grab your handy dandy fork and just start to really push those edges down. This way we're just gonna seal in all of that good filling and the cream cheese can start to melt in with the peaches. And I'm so serious with that honey pecan cream cheese and these peaches, you guys, money in the bank right here. It's okay if a little bit oozes out, that's fine. It'll bake perfectly, don't you worry. These are really great at staying together and I love working with these, especially making these little pies because everybody always loves them and they're so easy to do and there's so many options and varieties out there. And if you guys have played around with this easy dessert trick, please tell me in the comments, have you found a favorite variety? Because I'm letting you know that one of mine for sure is honey walnut cream cheese and peach pie filling. What is yours if you've experimented in this area? And in the meantime, I'm gonna go through and just seal up these bad boys because they are looking good. And we're gonna make them even better here today with a little bit of melted butter. So we'll just grab some melted butter, a couple tablespoons will do, and you'll just brush that entire top of all of that dough with the melted butter. So we're kind of transforming just an ordinary flaky biscuit into a delicious little mini pie dessert. What a great idea this is. So we're gonna just saturate them with this butter. That way they can get a little bit savory on top. They'll definitely get more golden brown, be a little bit more flaky. So if you have that butter at home, don't skip out on this step. It's really nice to get that good butter glaze right on top. What you're gonna do then is grab some brown sugar. I have some nice fresh soft brown sugar out there, but I did hear that if you pop it in the microwave for a couple seconds, it will soften it up. What a great tip. Also using the bread, I think I'm learning so much about the whole thing around brown sugar because let me tell you what, like it goes hard in like a day for me. So I don't know, the Tupperware doesn't really work well, but I did find that the microwave, zapping it in there for a couple seconds definitely softens it up. So if you're looking for a little fast trick, give that a go. We've got one really great flavor here still to follow it up with some cinnamon, a little bit of brown sugar with a little bit of cinnamon right on top here with that pecan cream cheese and that peach. Oh yeah, we are really making it good today. I am pretty stoked about these. I cannot wait to pop these in the oven at 350 for about 12 minutes and stick around. I think you're just gonna be in love with these new mini pies and maybe you even have like a better idea. I can't wait to hear about it. All right, we are ready over here for sure. Look at those right there. I mean, that's just like perfection in its finest. And not only that, we have a few ingredients and they are so delicious. Look at this pie right here. It's just like the perfect pie. Now watch this. I'm gonna rip it right in half and look at all of that peach and that cream cheese right inside. These are so delicious. Seriously, I mean, you have to take my word for it if you haven't tried these yet. I'm gonna scarf it down, but now I'm like, hey, David, do you wanna try this with me? Because I feel bad, they're so tasty, and I'm just like keeping them all to myself.
Sure, I'll head over.
Okay, great. So David's gonna join me so he can help scarf these down, and really, because You want to know why, the real reason?
Why?
Because I think you're as sweet as a peach.
Oh, wow, thanks.
So because you're sweet as a peach, which peach dessert would you like?
I'm gonna grab this one right here.
Okay, great. Here, wait. Let me go back to the one I ripped open. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, dig in.
Wow. Tasty
Wow.
stuff.
We got a little bit of cream cheese and a little bit of peach.
Sweet, just like me.
All right. It only counts if somebody says it about you. You can't say that about yourself, right? Okay, you guys, this is a winner. I knew it would be. Let me know what your version is. If you haven't tried these, get to the store, get the things, whip them up. They are so tasty and definitely worth it. I give it a 10 out of 10, a guarantee. Let me know what you think about this recipe, if you're gonna switch anything up. We will have that recipe linked in the comments, you guys. Share if you like it. We'll see you later. Enjoy.